All right, welcome to the SDO 2021 Science Workshop, where we're going to celebrate a solar cycle of SDO science. But, here we go. First off, yesterday was the 11th birthday of the SDO mission. We had a great launch, February 11th, 2010. Of course, the 4 feet of snow back here in Maryland made it a little more memorable for the people that had to be here in Goddard. I'd like to wish everyone a happy new year. Today is the first day of the year of the ox. So let's hope that this color reminds me of helium-304. So let's keep going. The schedule for today is we're going to have some comments from Barbara Thompson, followed by my status report for at the end of Solar Cycle 24. Phil Scher, the PI of the HMI, will talk about some of his results. Tom Woods for the EVE instrument. Then Mark Chung will talk about the AIA. At the end of the 4 talks, we'll open up breakout rooms for people to go and ask questions and have some discussion. The breakout rooms are named after the 3 instruments and SDO, and you can join and unjoin and come back to the main room and go to another breakout room as you would like. We are scheduling more science sessions. They'll start in approximately a month from now. And we have the plenary speakers for almost all of them all lined up to talk about the science results that SDO has produced over the last 11 years. Each session will have a plenary talk and then some contributed talks, and there'll be breaks for discussion and coffee breaks and stuff. We're working on some mini workshops. These are short sessions where we do an intense discussion about some topic. We've used them for Python classes, machine learning classes, and others. And we're still working on the timing and topics for those. Those would start in May. All people who requested invitations for today will receive invitations to the science sessions and the mini workshops. If you do not want to attend them, then you need to send an email to the SDO 2021 DM@gmail.com to be removed from the mailing list. So today, you are currently muted while you're in the main room. If you go to a breakout room, you'll be able to unmute either your audio or your video or both and ask questions. If you have a question while in the main room, please post it in the chat or wait until the breakout rooms after the talk and ask it there. If you have a problem with today's meeting, please send a chat to Frank Parvier or an email to parvier@colorado.edu, and he will attempt to help you with that.